searching for a must-have and essential piece of kit? If yes, then look no further. The A051T Class B WiFi and NMEA013 and NMEA2000 AIS Transponder, also known as a transceiver, is a must-have device to transmit your ship's information, including location, name, vessel dimensions, and speed, etc. Being a compact, high-performing, cost-effective transponder to fulfill your local Class B legal requirements, as well as for peace of mind and project tracking. In addition to transmitting your AIS information to local boats and receiving stations, the A051T will also convert incoming AIS messages in the same fashion as our AIS receivers. With the A051T being fitted with Wi-Fi and an NMEA013 to NMEA2000 converter, it brings a whole new functionality to the transponder market. The A051T is fitted with the connections you can see on screen now. These offer an extremely secure, robust and reliable connection to ensure connectivity at all times. With the GPS, TNC and AIS S0239 connection being industry standard to offer a wide range of suitable antennas and aerials. Meanwhile, the 12-pin data and power connection is unique to the A051T and combines connections for a power source with additional NMEA013 connection, but also an NMEA2000 male connector used for the output of AIS, GPS and additional NMEA sentences to the NTK network. Shown on screen now are the various controls, connections and status LEDs. First, we have the power switch, enabling a quick and easy method of turning the device on or off. Next is the Wi-Fi antenna connection, again being an industry standard SMA female port. Below the power switch is where the mute switch can be found. This can be used to mute the transmission of your AIS signal. When active, AIS signals will still be received by the A051T. Next, we have the status LEDs to indicate the status of the various functions from power, Wi-Fi, GPS, and also when data is being received or transmitted. Finally, we have the USB-A port. This is used for configuration of the A051T when connected to a Windows PC, but also view live data being output by the A051T. On screen now are a list of key features of the A051T. For a full list, please visit our website. Here we have a diagram of typical connections used with the A051T. It is important to note the direction and placement of the arrowheads, as this indicates the direction of data transmission.